In this OneNote video, we're going to look at some of the advanced features of OneNote. So using links, using the clipper tool, using Office Lens, embedding live content, and adjusting the paper size. So let's look at using links firstly. So let's say I'm in this page and the homework's exercise 1F. So I want to put a link into this homework page here. So if I click on the homework page, right click, copy link to page, and go back to the page where I want the link, and then I'm going to push Control V there, or paste. So now I have a link to that page. So the homework is this page here. So if the students click on that, it will take it straight to that page. Let me show you how that looks in some other subjects. So let's say this content library here. You can see up here, this is like my title page. So all these pages are linked. All these are links, hyperlinked to these pages down here on the right. So if we want to go to lesson 9, it just takes you straight to lesson 9. I'm now going to show you how to use a OneNote Clipper tool. So in Google, you're going to type in OneNote Clipper for Chrome, and then you're going to click on this page here. You're then going to get OneNote Clipper for Chrome, add extension. It's going to download down here. If I then click down here, something happens up here to the right. We have this new little extension in Chrome. So I'm just going to close that. All right, so how does this work? So if you, let's say, find some news article that you find interesting, you want to share with your students or keep a record for yourself. So let's say this web page here. What you can do, say I want this page in OneNote, so I'm going to go up and click on this little purple button, clip to OneNote. This screen comes up. If you're using it for the first time, it will ask you to sign in, so just sign in with your normal school account. I'm going to clip the full page. I'm going to clip it to, you can choose the notebook that you want. So I'm going to clip to let's go, just going to go into my notes here and clip. So you can choose the notebook where you want to clip it to, and it will clip that page into OneNote for you. And you will see that the page that I snipped is now in OneNote. Show you an app that talks to OneNote, so it's called Office Lens. So you need to go to your Play Store and download Office Lens. Once you've downloaded it, you can open it, and then what this does is it's a really good app to take photos of your whiteboard or any handouts that you can easily send to OneNote. So I'll quickly just show you an example. I'm going to just quickly take a photo. Okay, so what I just did is I took a photo of a little timetable. Now it's a little bit hard to see, but basically I can then hit save, and then it's going to sync to my OneNote. So I'm going to click that tick, and it's going to do its magic. So if I go to my OneNote into Lens, I'm going to see that picture that I took come up here in a second. So here are some other Office Lens pictures I've taken. So this is of a whiteboard, so it's actually takes really good pictures. It makes the white and the text really stand out. So there's some whiteboard examples. Here is an example of a handout that I've just taken a photo of using my camera. So you can see here this one that I just took a photo of. That was just of a little timetable. It actually comes up really crisp. I'm now going to show you how to embed live content into OneNote pages. So it talks with various apps. So this first one here is a Microsoft form that I created. So that's just a little quiz. So you can copy the link and paste it straight into OneNote, and that'll open inside the page. The next one is YouTube. So playing I go down here, Sways, that's another Microsoft 365 app that'll play inside your OneNote page. GeoGebra, which is a maths app. This is interactive, so that will interact with OneNote as well. Again, another Microsoft form, and Office Mix as well. Another 365 app. So that's live content. You can also adjust the paper size in OneNote. So if you go to View, Paper Size, across here on the right, if you change this size here to A4, then I'll press Close. This paper size that it'll give you is just A4, so it'll be grey in the areas around it. So that'll give you a nice little A4 printout if you keep the text within those lines.